Are you looking to remove the hardtop on your Wrangler JL? Well, it's easy to do, and we're going to show you how to do it. There's just 8 screws to remove and a couple connections to, well, disconnect. Now you do have to start by removing your freedom panels. And if you haven't done that before, we do have a video showing you how to do that. Check the link down below. Now, as I said earlier, there are 8 screws that secure the hardtop to the Jeep, 4 on each side. Looking at it from the driver's side, we have 1 here at the front of the hardtop on top, and then 3 more down the side rail of the hardtop. And you've already got the tools to remove them. And that's in your factory JL toolkit. If we open it up, you've got the ratchet and the little T50 Torx bit, and these work just fine. However, I'm a little more impatient, so I'm gonna get the power tools out. Now open up the tailgate, and then the lift gate, and we can access the screws inside the cab. Once you have your 8 screws out, you can come back to the back, lift up the back hatch, and this little section marked roof is where you can store your hardtop screws to keep them safe. In the back corner of the hardtop are our 2 connections, electrical and the washer fluid. For the electrical, pop down on the red tab and then push in the red tab and give it a little wiggle. Now that's gonna store right down here into this nifty little storage spot. For the washer fluid, press in the little silver button and it releases. And then we can just spin it around and clip it right into the clip. Now, once you got those screws tucked away, this hardtop is ready to come off. So shut the tailgate, get yourself some help. All right, thanks, Jacob. All right, now that's all there is to removing a hardtop from a Wrangler JL. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one.